Hi guys, here we are doing our apartment tour at the Sheraton Vistana Villages in the St Augustine Block 26. As you walk in, you come into the kitchen area. You can see you've got dishwasher here. They leave your dishwasher tablets and some washing up liquid. You have a big fridge freezer, also with ice machine there. Plenty big enough freezer. Lots of glassware. There's some of your cutlery and stuff. You've got a bottle opener there as well, a can opener. All your plates and other tablewares there. It's got a little breakfast bar area here. In here you've also got a washer and dryer, and they also leave you 2 lots of washing powder. From the kitchen, sorry, you've got the lounge area and a balcony off the lounge at the end. We're going to have a look at the view shortly. Here's the main bathroom. Got a double vanity there. Plenty of towels, toilet rolls, tissues. You've also got their body lotion and the soap there. Over in the shower you've got shampoo, conditioner and the body wash, or Gilchrist and Soames stuff. More towels there. Then you've got an entrance direct into the second bedroom with 2 queen beds. You have a block there with charging point and normal electric, telephone, TV there. Large wardrobe, plenty of space, plenty of drawers here, really big drawers. Back out into the kitchen and lounge area. You've got the aircon there for the apartment. Most of the rooms have fans and stuff in as well. You have a little cupboard here. It's got a Hoover washing basket. Yeah. And in the main lounge area, another TV, sound bar there, storage underneath, and the entrance into the master suite. Again, both sides of the bed, they've got the mini cable charging port blocks. Plenty of drawer storage. And views out over the pool area and bar. That's one of the pool areas, there is others. Behind the door you've got a full length mirror. Then into the main bathroom. Jacuzzi hot tub there. Then your wardrobe here with a safe. It's not very deep, but it's quite tall. Plenty of hangers and a spare bed in there if you need it to make up the sofa in the lounge into a sofa bed. Got a single vanity there. Walk-in shower. The conditioners, shampoos, body washes, functional head there. And it is a large shower, as you can see. Got another single vanity this side. More body lotion, towels all over the place. Then into the toilet. It's a slidey door. In this big bathroom. You do have a fan there on the roof again. Then out onto the balcony. You got the view over the pool and marketplace there. And the lake next to it. And back into the living room. Where you've got your settee that can turn into the extra bed. Back into the living room and dining room area. Okay guys, that's about it for our apartment tour here at the Sheraton Vistana Villages. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you all real soon.